Have you ever wondered about the intricate ways ancient families preserved their legacy, especially concerning their daughters? How did inheritance work when a family name, property, and traditions were everything? In most ancient Greek families, particularly in city-states like Athens, daughters generally did not inherit property directly in the same way sons did. The concept of a daughter independently owning and managing ancestral land or wealth after her father's death was not the societal norm. This practice stemmed from the deeply patrilineal structure of ancient Greek society. The primary goal was to ensure the continuity of the male line, keeping family property and the household, known as the oikos, intact and tied to the male name. A daughter's financial security was typically provided through a dowry from her father upon marriage. This dowry, which could include money, goods, or land, was transferred to her husband and became part of the new household she joined, ensuring her status and welfare within it. However, there was a fascinating and crucial exception, particularly well documented in Athens. If a father died without any male heirs, his daughter became what was known as an epikleros, or an heiress tied to the estate. This did not mean she gained independent control over the property. Instead, the law mandated that she marry her closest male relative, often an uncle or cousin, to ensure the property remained within the broader family and, crucially, to produce male heirs to continue the family line and its associated religious duties. The property was legally hers but managed by her husband, acting as a safeguard for the estate. The way these systems worked was highly regulated. For an epikleros, the process involved a legal obligation to marry a specific relative, sometimes decided by public court if there were multiple claimants. Her property, though hers in name, was effectively managed by her husband, ensuring its preservation for future male descendants. Dowries, on the other hand, were a prearranged transfer of value from the bride's family to the groom upon marriage. While the dowry secured the wife's position and comfort, it was under the husband's control and was often returned to her family if the marriage ended in divorce or her husband's death, highlighting its role as a form of security rather than direct inheritance. These arrangements underscore the significant importance placed on the oikos in ancient Greek society, extending beyond mere property to encompass family identity, religious observances, and civic participation. The epikleros system was not designed to empower women with property rights in a modern sense, but rather as an ingenious legal and social mechanism to maintain the integrity of family estates and lineage in a society fundamentally organized around male succession. It reflects a sophisticated legal framework for its time, balancing individual family needs with broader societal norms. Ultimately, while daughters in ancient Greek families did not inherit property outright in the modern understanding, their roles were absolutely vital in preserving family wealth and lineage through the established customs of dowries and the unique institution of the epikleros. It provides us with a profound glimpse into a society deeply concerned with tradition, continuity, and the foundational role of the family unit.